Jai Hind everyone, I am Prabhat Kumar and I welcome you all to PYQ Academy. In today's video, I am going to discuss the solutions of geography portion of UPSC CDS examination 2021. Okay, and today I will be discussing the second session CDS 2 2021. So let's start our questions. The first question: which of the following statements are correct with respect to the time zones of India? Okay, so the first statement is there is one standard time for the whole country. So yes, it is true, and we are having a one standard time of 82°30' east. So this statement is true. Then Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands have different time zones. So this is wrong. If this statement is true, then definitely this statement is going to be wrong. Next, Indian standard timing is 5.5 hours behind. So you can see here. So Indian standard timing is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours 30 minutes. So it is ahead, not behind. So this is also wrong. So we are only left with our answer only A, only one. So answer is option A. Next question. D had recently visited Khardungla, Nubra Valley and several Buddhist monasteries. So which of the following states or UT had she visited? So Khardungla and Nubra, both these places are situated in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Okay. So Nubra is a river which source is Siachen Glacier, and Khardungla is a pass, and both are found in Ladakh. So answer is option D. Next question. Which one of the following states receive rainfall from both Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon? Okay. So this is image I took directly from NCERT. Okay. Of India Physical chapter. I think it is a climate chapter. Okay. So first of all, I'm sorry for this image that it was not getting fit, so I have to take a cropped image, but I don't have any intention to show any disrespect to our national map of India. Okay, so let's now jump into the solution. So generally the southwest monsoon is divided into two branches. Okay, one is Arabian Sea branch and another is Bay of Bengal branch. So Arabian Sea branch enters India from this side and Bay of Bengal branch enters India from this side. Okay, also in this and this way. So and now you can see here this will go like this, and also a branch will go like this, and this branch will, after this, this Bay of Bengal branch will try to move toward this, and it will also move toward this, and this will reach up to here. The question is asking which of the following states receive rainfall from both Arabian Sea branch as well as Bay of Bengal branch. So let's take options. First, Maharashtra. So Maharashtra will only receive from the Arabian Sea branch. So there is no chance that Bay of Bengal branch will come here. Okay. Then Meghalaya also will receive only from the Bay of Bengal branch. Then Tamil Nadu doesn't gets rainfall from southeast monsoon. It gets rainfall from northeast monsoon in winter, also known as retreating monsoon. Okay, so all these options are correct, and as I told you earlier that at this place, not this little bit up. Okay, because here it will be Rajasthan. So in Punjab, the Punjab receives rainfall from both the branches of monsoon. So answer is option A. Next question. Inceptisols, antisols, vertisols, molysols. Okay, So these all are types of nothing but soils. Very easy question. You can get this image given in the soil chapter of NCERT part 2 of 11th class. So very easy question. Next question. S had witnessed contour bunding and contour plowing while visiting one state in India. Okay, so identify the states. So first we need to know where we can use contour bunding and contour plowing. So contour bunding and contour plowing can only be used in a slopy region. Sorry, slopy region. Okay, and so we will get slopy region in hilly or mountain area, hilly area generally. Okay, so Punjab is a plain area, Haryana is a plain area, Rajasthan is a plain area. In Himachal we can find hills, and yes, contour bunding and contour plowing can be used. So our answer is option C. Next question. Who amongst the following will be at more risk with respect to earthquake hazard zone? Okay, so in the second part of NCERT, in the last chapter you will find natural disasters. Okay, and in that chapter I had taken this image of the different zones of earthquake, and the zone which is marked in this dark color, it is a very high risk damaging zone. Okay, we can get northeast as a very high risk zone, then some parts of Uttarakhand, some parts of Himachal, some parts of Jammu and Kashmir, and one part of Kutch, means Gujarat, which is Kutch. So let's move to our options. Sahaji in Sikandrabad. So Sikandrabad will be somewhere here. So it is not a very means risk zone. Okay. Then Ranbir at Indore. So Ranbir, you must be living somewhere here. Okay. So Malti in Pithoragarh. So she is living somewhere here. And Maitri in Bhubaneswar. So Bhubaneswar will be somewhere here. So if you have to compare all the three, so this is at a very high risk zone. So here Malti at Pithoragarh is at a high risk. So answer is option C. Next question. The government wants to prepare a plan for drought-prone areas of the country. So which one of the following region will be predominantly focused? So this is again the image taken from the same chapter. So Government of India has given a map in which it has located various zones of drought-prone areas. So one is Rajasthan and Gujarat area, which is the most drought-prone area. So coastal Andhra Pradesh, no, coastal Andhra Pradesh is a very fertile land having delta Godavari, Krishna and Godavari delta, so it is not possible. Ganga Plains, it is again a very fertile land. The northeastern region, it is full of trees and natural vegetation, so no chance of drought prone area. And we are left with Kutch region, which is a drought prone area. So answer is option D. Next question. 4 persons are traveling to different states of India. To whom will you advise to protect oneself from blizzard? So first of all, blizzard is a cold wind. Okay, generally it is seen in western countries, but it is also seen in few places of India. So cold wind. Okay, now come to options. The person traveling to Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is an area which is full of mountains. Okay, so and at a good height, so temperature at good height is low. Okay, so there can be chances. So let's look at the other options. The person traveling in Assam is a plain area. The person traveling in Tripura and Odisha. So Odisha is a very hot region, so no chance. And same with Assam and Tripura, they are also moderately hot regions. Okay, although not very hot, but as compared to Arunachal Pradesh, they are a little bit hot. So Arunachal Pradesh can be the option, can be the answer from all these options. Okay, so our answer is option A. Next question. Which one of the following states is not prominent for plantation agriculture? So first of all, for plantation agriculture, we need a good amount of rainfall. Okay, so let's compare the places having good rainfall. So Kerala is having a good rainfall from the southwest monsoon branch. Again, Nagaland is in northeast. Nagaland, Assam are in northeast region, and they are full of natural vegetation due to abundant rainfall in that region. But Rajasthan is uh, deficit in natural vegetation, and due to its low and low, not very low rainfall, so plantation agriculture is not possible. So our answer is option A. So by the word plantation agriculture, you can take example of tea and coffee. Okay, so you can see that tea, coffee is possible in all the three regions, but not in Rajasthan. Next question: the distance between which two cities has been reduced by the Atal Tunnel? So Atal Tunnel has been in news, and it's another name is Rohtang Pass. Okay, its earlier name Rohtang Pass. So if you were knowing that Rohtang Pass joins Manali to Leh, so you must have got your answer. You can see here in the image our Prime Minister went there when I think it was inaugurated. It is one of the longest tunnel at a very height, and also known as the name of Rohtang Pass, which connects Manali with Lahore, Spiti, and means Manali further Manali with Leh. Okay, so answer is option C. Next question: which one of the following biosphere reserves comprises islands with estuaries, beaches, coral reefs, salt marshes, mangroves? A very good question. Okay, so what we have to do after knowing the answer, you have to prepare that which all parts of India have estuaries, leaf beaches, have coral reefs and mangroves. These three are very much important. Okay, so let me tell you. So generally, mangroves are found in the eastern coasts, and so where you will find mangrove, there is very less chance of coral reef, but it can be there. But one thing, yes. Now come to our answer. So let's move on to two options. First option is Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. So Sundarban Biosphere Reserve is a delta region. Okay, and delta is full of mud. Okay, so yes, there is chance of mangrove, but there is no chance of coral reefs because coral reefs require a very clean water, so it is not possible. So this is wrong. Then Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. Yes, this is a biosphere reserve which is in the Indian Ocean. Okay, so it is fulfilling all the conditions that yes, salt marshes, mangrove is also there, beaches, estuaries, and coral reef. And if you don't know, then you can eliminate and get the answer. Next is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is a forest region, dense forest. So, but the question is talking about a biosphere reserve which has a water body. So this is wrong. And similarly with Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, it is also a forest region. It doesn't have these kind of water bodies. So next, so we are left with our answer Gulf of Mannar. So by elimination, you can also get up to the right answer. Answer is option B. Next question: the extent of damage caused by earthquake is not influenced by which one of the following? So the strength of earthquake. So yes, strength of earthquake may determine the extent of damage. So yes, then population density. If the population density of a particular area is more, and if earthquake occurs in that area, so yes, definitely it is going to increase the damage to the life. Next, type of building. If the building type is not earthquake proof, then it is definitely going to be damaged. So yes. Now climate of area. So climate of area has no relation with the earthquake, so definitely it is wrong. So our answer is option D. Next question: an avalanche is a type of which one of the following disaster? Again, the question from disaster management. Means you can find that in this paper more than 5 questions are directly from that same chapter. So it is a question directly taken from a table from NCERT. So avalanche you can find here in terrestrial column avalanches is a type of terrestrial natural disaster. So answer is option B, terrestrial. Terrestrial means land-based. Okay. Next question. An infection constantly maintained at baseline level in a geographic area without external input is known as endemic. Okay, that means which is limited to a particular area and which has no external influence. That means it originated here only. Okay, so this is a definition of endemic. So answer is option A. Your task is to go and find the definition of all these three. You can get a question related to all these three because all they are in news in the next exam. Next question. Streams and rivers coming from mountain deposit heavy material of rocks and boulders. Okay, so now Khadar, Bhangar, Bhabar, Terai. So first eliminate these two options because Khadar and Bhangar are types of alluvial soil. Okay, alluvial soil. This is new alluvial and this is older alluvial. Okay, so and we know that alluvial soil is a very fine soil, so it does not have rock boulders. So definitely we can eliminate these two options. Now Bhabar and Terai. So Terai is a marshy region. Okay, marshy region. That means it is full of water. So we are left with our option Bhabar. Answer is option C. So Bhabar is a region from which suppose this is mountain. So due to in the youth stage the flow of river is so much fast that it takes down rock boulders with it, and after few kilometers when the speed slows, so it start depositing all the boulders. Okay, and after that boulder stage the one stage comes where the water is filled and spread as a marshy land, so it is known as Terai. Okay, and after that and the case comes of older and newer alluvium, that is newer and older alluvium, yes, that is Bhangar and Khadar. Okay, so answer is option C. Next question. So yes, we are done with our solutions of geography portion of CDS 2 2021. Okay, only I think 15 questions were there, but no issue. And it was a very easy question, so you can see the benefit of doing geography as it takes also very less time and level of questions are also very much easy. So I think I'm very much clear in all the explanations. So if you have any kind of doubt in any question, you can comment directly, or if you want to connect with me on different social media platforms, so please connect. I had given the link in the description box, and please join this PYQ Academy Telegram channel where I will be posting the PDF of this lecture, as well as I will be sharing some valuable information related to all these examinations, whether it is CDS or CAPF or NDA or any other exam. Okay, so please join this Telegram channel, and if you like the video then do share it to all those people who are preparing for all these exams, and so that it will be helpful for all those students. So thank you so much for watching PYQ Academy.